Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. As we know, we all are going through some tough situations right now. I hope you and your loved ones are healthy, stay in and stay safe. So, talking about this video, in this video I'm going to share you how to animate your photo, and I use the editing app called XEFX. We'll put the link in my description box. So I have selected some of my boring and old photos to make them attractive. So let's get into the video.
It's not real, I don't even wanna go back home. What is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw. He know I ain't with it, never did it before. He got me all in my feelings, now he got you all in yours. Ooh.
So first of all, open the XEFX app, choose the plus option, select your photo you want to edit, and then go to the sticker option. You can choose any sticker which suits in your photo, then set it.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some.
That's it, save it in gallery.
Still dream about the days when we were young.
Do the rest of the pictures in same way.
Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
That's been my time. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to follow me on Instagram. Links are in description below. Until next time, bye bye.